What's going on, guys? Just another video today, a great one actually. I'm gonna show you guys 5 different trades and how I'm up 5.5 hours, and it is currently Wednesday at 10:52 a.m. Just get right into it. So first one is our NAS trade yesterday. The 1 minute closed above. We had a 1 minute and 2 minute little demand here, and then I believe on the 15 I was accounting for all this stuff. If we pushed, we pushed, but with the break above, I didn't expect much more of a retrace. The 5 minute also did its thing, broke and retested already. With this was a little bit of a risky trade, and then obviously our blue zone and blue zone, which is our hourly to hourly zone and hourly zone, which we do a lot. So we did hit a good amount of drawdown in this, but again, when you buy on the break of structure, you're gonna kind of expect that. Like realistically, this 10:05 entry, even on the 5 minute, looked absolutely amazing. Yeah, like right, this candle actually closure would have been a great trade, but how am I supposed to predict that 20 minutes later? So that's the first trade. Again, the blue to blue, and our main target on the hourly was just the key zone. So pushing up here, let's just turn this down so that we don't skip by it. And this will be our next trade. So this was at Asian session. What I saw here was this, a beautiful 15-minute demand tap, which would have been right here, tapped in, and as well inside of that, a 5 minute little engulf. It is a bit weak, but also a double retest in terms of this, so I didn't mind. I got in a little bit late just because of look how fast this candle moved up. So yeah, that's a great sign. Again, W trade hit in literally what, like 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes in Asian session. So again, hourly zone to hourly zone, we saw that clean flow. Exactly why I took this. Great stops below as well. The previous, I believe it was a 15-minute demand. Yeah, great stops below all of it just in case I wanted to come back down and retest again for a double retest. Great trade. And lastly, for our last NAS trade, which I just took around an hour ago, we're going to be going all the way till around 10 a.m. So 2 a.m., 4, 5, 7, 8. All right, so I just teleported. So what did I do today? Hourly zones. I saw that from our yellow line to a red line like I did the last video. If you haven't, check it out as well if you want to learn. I'm going to be putting Tyler, my buddy who taught me all this, his Discord in the bio, as well as my Discord in the bio for the whole biblical study and daily verses. So on the 15-minute, looked pretty all right. The 10-minute, it was actually a double retest here, or a double bottom, sorry. Pulled up, pull back up, just kind of retraced into that probably. And what is this? A 10-minute demand. A beautiful tap in, by the way, to that zone and pushed up. From that 10-minute demand, you can see this. 5-minute nice, 4-minute nice, but this is my entry, the 2-minute closure. The 2-minute engulf and closure, that's all you need to see. I clicked buy and I was like, you know what, this is a great trade. I cannot even be like, I'm so happy with this. And then the hourly close, insane within 100%. That was already past the trade, but that gave me more confluence that like this is a great trade. Like this is amazing. Like look, we're not even respecting our minor zones. I gotta kind of go over them again, but yeah. So that was that trade for today. Again, the 2-minute, and all we did was play into structure here. Look, build up, pull back, build up, 2-minute, push up, TP. So 3 trades on NAS and all pretty much the same thing. You guys see kind of like the correlation here, like what I'm doing and why. Like if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. But all 3 of those, I did the exact same thing with demand taps and engulfs. So secondly, let's go here into CHFJPY. And I'm going to show you guys my trade from yesterday in the hourly. So this one was a very, not risky trade, but I'm going to go over the 4-hour one first, just because then this trade will kind of come together. Off the 15-minute, I took this entry here, right here, with some decent 17.5 stop, 17.5 take profit. And this trade, again, 4-hour, if it's going to load, 4-hour demand tap, expected a push just hourly zone to hourly zone. I went back in time and look, you can see it was clean flow. So based off this, after the put on the 5-minute, we shot all the way up to, again, break even, pulled back, pushed up, and then I don't even know what happened. Overall, the good thing is this trade did hit, I believe, overnight. Just grabbed, again, some extra liquidity. Sometimes it sucks that that happens, but what are you going to do? So, yep, that's the play out. And there's our take profit. We have the idea right. It sucks that we got taken out break even, but what are you going to do? Next trade. Here, while I was in this trade, I saw this on the 1-minute. Pulled back heavy, but I saw this kind of range we were in. We were forming this, I'll get rid of this actually, this sort of range over here. Notice we couldn't push below, and I believe it was the 5-minute over here. Yeah, look, wicks, we pushed down, but still maintaining this. This is an hourly zone. So if we push down, I was cooked anyways. So I was like, you know what? Let's try something. So on the 1-minute, let's go back to here, which was right over here. I got in here for something like this. And, or was it might have been up a bit more. I think it was something like this. And I had a 1-4. Yeah, right to my previous entry. We didn't end up hitting it. Unfortunately, broke me even. Oh well. But I still knew that this move, when I see a big pullback like that, I was like, okay, there's no way that we don't do something with this. So I got in somewhere right here with like a 4.7. And literally on this candle, when a 3 hit. So why did I re-enter and why did I have so much faith? This was, again, more of a ballsy trade. I didn't know what was going to happen. I'm going to be honest. I had no clue. I was kind of like, look, my analysis is right. We're just topping back into this 4-hour. Again, the 1-minute is just creating this kind of range. So I can buy from the low, push to the highs, see what happens. And overall, I believe it was on the 5-minute. Yeah, you guys can see this whole range. This is what I was looking at. It's like boom, 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 boom. So it's like, why don't we push back to the highs? Like, there's no way we don't. And if we don't, oh well, you know what? I'll take my L. I don't mind. And we ended up pushing. So again, I'm gonna have the Discords in the bio. If you guys want to learn as well, we can't forget it. I'm gonna do my verse of the day. Here we have Mark chapter 13, verse 33. Be on guard, be alert. You do not know when that time will come. What is God referring to, or Mark, I should say, referring to in this? The rapture. You never know when the rapture will happen, and that is the thing, is be on guard, be alert. You don't know when that time will come. Be the best person you can be. Overcome those sins, which we all need to do, because you never know when Jesus will come back. Nobody knows except God, and we need to, be the best person that we can be and try to overcome those sins, because then it'll be too late, regret, and then you just strayed away from God. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please let me know. If you have any questions, comment down below. And this was just, again, a couple trades. I was trading very aggressively, but again, I don't mind building my accounts up right now and recovery from the bad trades that I took last week. So just an attempt to do that. So I thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.